Hello, this is our smartphone assembly system RG260. So when you repair or for a specific water resistant smartphone, then you can use this machine to press with heating. So I will demonstrate Note 5 heat assembly. There is RG2610 Teflon G. Normally this G and smartphone does not fit, but after about 7 to 8 minutes, by heating, the G will expand and the size of the phone will fit perfectly. So at present it does not fit well. It is a normal situation, and to avoid deformation, each four sides has pins around. And there is bottom according to the hand smartphone and the sides. So if the phone is heated, four sides and bottom are heated by the machine. So when you connect the main power button, main power cord, if you turn on the main power, the green value is target temperature, the red value is the present temperature. And the inside air compressor work to fill in the air tank, and the pressure gauge go to the set point. And this timer is 22 seconds, but you can freely reset. Then 12 seconds, if you click plus, then 22 seconds. So sometimes if the emergency stop is push it, then you slightly turn right to the normal condition. And whenever you manipulate, for example, you push the plate. This is dangerous because the pressing part is over 90 kilogram to 100 kilogram, so do not put your hands near to the pressing part. Okay, then I will adjust the time like 12 seconds, then the timer will act for 12 seconds. And then the pressing part automatically go up, and the air compressor will work again to fill the air to the air tank. So pressure gauge go up. So our normal setting is 40 to 41 psi, the red value. So you also can reset the target temperature. Simply set mode. Then you click arrow. Then click set again, or just to place it without clicking anything, then it will be set. Then the target is 100 Celsius degrees, and the present value, temperature value is 66. That means the red heating plate is 66. There are 3 bar heaters, and actual temperature to the smartphone is minus 30 degrees. For example, 100 degrees set, that means actually transferred heat to the smartphone is 70 Celsius degrees. So the factory setting is, for example, 120, then you can set to 100. But you do not put the set for a long time, because if then it will go to the other set mode. So simply click set lightly and then set again, then it will be okay. So we have to wait until the temperature reaches to the target temperature. To save time, I just wrote the movie. Now the temperature reached 100 and the temperature controller will maintain the target temperature 100. So I just placed the G as this temperature for 3 minutes more. So once you find the temperature reached the target, then you just wait another 3 minutes or so for the smartphone to fit the heat resistant jig. So heat resistant jig has precisely the camera part and volume and main power button. So each model jig is different. For example, this is Note 5. This is RG260. So the jig shape and all is different. So once the temperature reaches 100, then I place the phone. Okay, the phone is now perfectly fit. You see?